Okay, here we are. We're going to make our hickory burger casserole. I've got hickory dickory bacon here, and you open the package, and like so. I've already put my cream of celery in the bowl here because I hate these little caps because they like to cut me and things. And we put a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm trying to do things a little bit up. I'm stirring this by hand. I find a mixer makes it thin out too much. So if you stir it by hand, it seems to work a little better. Okay, I sprayed the can here with Pam. I love it. It's going to be on TV like that. All right, I sprayed with Pam first. We use the butter one. And then put a layer of the potatoes down. Then you just kind of layer this stuff across it, like so. You don't have to be perfect. It's not a perfect science. We're cooking, okay? And then we take some beef and put into the mix. Now I've already cooked this. I have onion in it. I did throw a little bit of hamburger seasoning in it. Not much, but I don't like my hamburger to be just plain and things. Remember that you're using these canned soups, and they do have a lot of salt in it. So I prefer not to put salt in it until it's already done. And things. It'll make it a little better for you. Making another layer of potatoes here. See how I cut them? These are red potatoes. I cut them about a 1/4 inch thin. So they got a little beef to them, you know, beef up and things. And things, let's see. Put this rest of this on top of here. Let's do a little thing of cheese beforehand. The more cheese you put, the better it is. Some people like a lot of cheese. It's your call on that. This is going to be it, and we're going to cook this, but we're not going to let you watch it bake for 45 minutes. We thought we'd bring that in at the end after it's done. I put a cover on mine. At the end of your 45 minutes, if you'd like to take the cover off, brown your cheese, that's fine as well. Okay, you can throw some chopped bacon on this as well if you'd like. Remember, it's your recipe. Make it like your own, you know, and make it yours. All right, here we are at the end. It's still a little bit bubbly and things. That was the lid I put on there. I did not brown this at the end. Things you can brown it a little better if you like. If you like your cheese crispy on top and things. This had the cover on it the whole time. You can also, if you'd like, sprinkle some bacon across the top of it at the end as well. Things, or put bacon in the mix. There's a lot of ways to do this. This is just one of them. Oh, and my wife tells me I should show you it's Hickory Dickory bacon. It's what we used, so that you. Did we get it?
Yes.
All right, but anyway, I used Hickory Dickory bacon in it. I don't know. That looks like a meal for 5 or 6. With Hickory Dickory bacon, so you can use it also as a dip. Look, I love it as a dip, but it's also good in other things, meats and everything. This is cooked in, so it didn't need extra time in it or anything like that to set. When you cook it in, the seasoning gets in there right away. Thanks. Remember, we're at AllNaturalDips.com.